In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications on iPhone. If your iPhone is buzzing too often, showing too many banners, or interrupting you throughout the day, there are a few simple ways to get that under control. The good news is that iPhone gives you different notification options depending on whether you want to stop alerts from just one app, quickly disable them from a notification you receive, temporarily silence everything, or simply change how notifications appear on screen. Let's start with the best method if one specific app is bothering you. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of your apps. Scroll down and select the app you want to manage, like Safari, a social media app, or a game. Once you open that app's notification settings, turn off Allow Notifications. As soon as you do that, that app will stop sending alerts, sounds, and banners. This is the most effective option if you only want to block one app without affecting the rest of your notifications. Another quick way to turn off notifications is directly from a notification you receive. When a notification appears, swipe left on it, then tap Options. After that, select Turn Off. This is a fast shortcut because you don't have to go digging through settings. It's especially useful when an app starts sending repeated alerts and you want to stop them right away. If you want to silence everything temporarily, you can use Focus or Do Not Disturb. To do that, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Focus or Do Not Disturb. This will mute calls and notifications for the time being, which is helpful during work, sleep, meetings, or any time you want fewer interruptions without permanently changing app settings. You can also customize how notifications look if you don't want to turn them off completely. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and choose your preferred display style. You can set notifications to appear as count, stack, or list, depending on how organized you want your lock screen to look. You may also see Quick Summary, which can help reduce clutter by grouping less urgent notifications together for later. So, to recap, if you want to turn off one app, go to Settings, Notifications, choose the app, and switch notifications off. If you want a faster option, swipe left on a notification and tap Turn Off. And if you want to silence everything for a while, use Focus or Do Not Disturb from Control Center. That's it. Thanks for watching.